Hey guys, it's me, Deep Fried Dan, back in the Culinary Lab to do some deep fried videos for you guys. Alright guys, so we're going to take you back to your childhood today, do a little bit of deep fried cereal and milk. So the way I'm going to tackle this is I actually gelatinize some milk. So we've got this little round guy here, kind of looks like a hard-boiled egg almost. And what we're going to do is we're going to do kind of like a standard batter, except our crumb is going to be our crushed cereal. So the idea here is, you kind of heat the milk inside to where it becomes mostly a liquid again, and then you have like a nice crunchy cereal on the outside, give that like sweetness to it. I'm going to go ahead and double batter here. So I went flour first, dipped it in my egg wash, and I'm going into the cereal now, and then just repeat the same process. Alright, see what happens. Alright guys, so now we're going to do, it's kind of like my version of French toast. It's good for kids for sure. It's kind of like a little rolled up piece of white bread with some cream cheese, some strawberries inside. And since we have cereal out, we're going to coat it in cereal, right? Why not? So same process here, just doing a standard breading. Flour first, egg. Definitely want to use a wet hand and a dry hand. Helps out, especially when you're double battering things like I like to do. It's double's always better for sure. Good, they stay together. Everything is in time. Just crunch on the outside. That's it. Oh my god, so good. Best thing I've ever had. Alright.